He's home. That's the biggest animal I've ever owned in my life. My hand. We made a little deal. Gate is in, so once this gate closes, the entire enclosure. Huffing and puffing. Oh, he's smiling, he's smiling, he's smiling. Right. What is going on, Cuffros? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the biggest, largest animal I've ever had at the farm. Now here's how it went. The last couple of days I haven't been filming it, but I have been building this awesome enclosure. Hector and his guy have been building this awesome enclosure. I didn't film a lot of it because it's very obviously repetitive. Post wood, post wood, post wood, post wood. I mean all the way around the entire front yard. The entire front yard. There's a gate here and then a gate over there. Through the garage, and here's the other side. This barn will be done in just a little bit. Of course, we gotta do like concrete and all that stuff. But yes, there's a gate over here to enter into the barn and then straight out to the pasture. But there's a whole lot of stuff, and by stuff I mean all this stuff. Mineral stuff, water bowl, goodie bag, hay bag. Anyway, that's not the only enclosure that's being built right now. Hector was actually working on another one, which he'll be back today to finish that. We'll see that in today's video finished. We're getting the goats soon, but we got a delivery. I'm gonna start the clips on when our new horse, Finn, arrived. And then we'll kind of go from then to back to present. Oh! Hi, buddy. He's home. Look at the mass amount of shit. Big bull. Oh! That's the biggest animal I've ever owned in my life. This is actually happening. We have a horse. Hey, bud. So great to see you. Great to meet you. Taylor, this is yours, not mine. Oh, we got a carrot?
He probably does not want it right now. I know. Oh, there we go. Hi, buddy.
Oh, that big old buddy. That's crazy. Taylor, what's this horse's name, Taylor?
His name is Finn.
Finn. The whole squad. They braided the tail for you. He's got a braided tail. He's meeting all the pigs for the first time. Piggies, this is your neighbor, new brother. Compared to you guys, look at the size difference. Look at that thing. We're showing the horse the property. So Finny boy, there is gonna be goats over there, big pigs here, a building there, ducks, emus, the whole 9 yards. Yeah, he just left it all fuzzy. So this is the barn that Finn will be in. Although a lot of these tanks are gonna be gone. So all these tanks will be gone, all these. So we need to open up this space right here. That'll be done within like the next couple days. Finn will be in there. This is what we created for you, Finn. First time in. This right here is your home. It's big. Really, really big. Oh, look at him eat that grass. He's like, this is the freshest grass I've ever had in my life. Oh yeah, he's huffing and puffing. Oh yeah, he's stoked, dude.
Look at him, he's such a star.
I literally have a full mammal in my front yard right now. Look at this thing. Huge. He's loving that green grass. Dude, this is all yours, bro. You don't even got a brother or sister to bother you. He's enjoying life. We did 5-foot fences around this enclosure in particular. Literally the whole entire thing is 5 foot, so it's obviously a higher fence because it's a bigger animal. This is big. The channel has a horse. This is literally a part of the channel now, and he's gonna love trimming my grass. You know, you also saved me probably like $100, $200 a month in landscape. Got a horse, a healthy horse too, which is the most important part. Taylor. This is Taylor's horse. So let me explain now that you've seen Finn arrive. Taylor got up this morning at like 8 o'clock. 7:45, very early. And she was out here with Finn right off the rip.
I brought him his breakfast over there. And I had his hay, and I just gave him a nice groom while he just sat there and ate. We're both still kind of getting used to each other. But I just thought if I could make that a morning routine, then eventually he'll get used to it.
So something about Taylor, this is my girlfriend Taylor, by the way, if none of you known that.
I haven't been on the channel in a while.
It's been a while. Taylor loves horses. She's loved them since the very beginning of her life, and it's like what she says I'm on planet Earth for. This is not my horse. This is obviously my property and the enclosure I built. We made a little deal, me and her, you know what I'm saying? Shake my hand. We made a little deal.
If you guys want to keep up with Finny on a daily basis and think I should make a YouTube channel, let me know.
You better not talk the talk and actually walk the walk. I've heard that a couple times.
Well, I also work a lot. So this is Finny Boy, or Finnegan, whatever we call him today. He is a 10 or 11-year-old grade quarter horse. If you don't know what grade means, it means that they are not registered. They don't have any papers, but that's fine because it's not like I'm trying to breed him or anything. He is gelded, so he's no longer a stallion. He's about 14.3 hands tall, so he's right on the border between a pony and horse, which is perfect size for me because if any of you have seen me, I am 5'1½".
See how she added the half in there?
Yeah, you can't forget the half. With Finn, I plan to just love him, spoil him, rotten, take him out on the trails. Where we live, we have a lot of great trail places.
You could literally
walk
take the
out
horse
of
out of here, walk out that way, and like all around my neighborhood is horse trails because everyone has horses here. My neighbor has 2 right there. 2 houses down has a cow and a horse. The next house over has like 5 horses. A lot of horses out here.
Yeah, there's a lot of horses. So I plan to eventually start trail riding him. I don't know when I'm gonna get on him. I mean, I've already rode him before. Some of you guys might know Daniel Ford here on the channel. A friend of his actually sells, trains, and competes reiners, heelers, cow horses, all of that fun stuff. Daniel had given me his number, so I reached out to him, and Finn was actually the first one that he showed me. And I knew from that moment, I was like, you're coming home with me, you know what I mean? And look, some things are just meant to be.
He's home.
He's home. I went and test rode him twice, and then I had his pre-purchase exam with the vet, and then we were able to bring him home.
Healthy as can be.
And eventually, when James, who I got the horse from, moves out here, I would like to start learning. If you guys know, I've done hunter jumpers, English riding my whole life, and he does Western, which is the complete opposite. So when he moves out here, I was like, James, you should teach me how to ride my cow pony here. So I think we're gonna get into Western. So if that's something you guys would like to see, let me know, because it could be a lot of fun.
Just for those who might be like, what the heck is on this horse's face?
Yeah, just to keep the flies out. His eyes were a little watery this morning, so I just wanted to make sure he's okay. Sometimes,
he's big. He's like 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 or 8 times the size of you.
And some of you might notice that you can see his ribs a little bit. He is a little bit underweight. That is solely from where he came from. When he arrived at James's place, he's been working really hard to put weight back on him. Compared to the first time that I saw him, he has put on plenty of weight. So I spoke with my vet, Dr. Lowry, and he gave me everything I need to know. So now we just focus on getting him fat and healthy.
He'll be looking like me soon. I got pizza. I make fire pizza. Hey, Finny boy. Also, make some good grilled cheese. It's about the only thing I can make. I got some great stuff.
I'm still trying to figure out where his little itchy spots are. When you were filming him yesterday, he was like,
I think he does like the camera.
He wants to play with your mic.
Dude, put that thing away, my guy. You're embarrassing me, bro. I like the cracking. There it is.
I think I've solely won his heart over just because I've been giving him endless amounts of treats.
You know what's crazy? We're gonna look back at this video and we're gonna see how different he is. Friendly wise, because she's gonna spend 24/7 with this horse. Taylor, thank you so much for your time. I know you have to go to work, but I just wanted to get,
it's nice to see you guys again.
Yeah, a nice brief explaining of what this is.
Not on the channel much anymore.
Hector! What are you, a chicken?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Hector, we should build a chicken coop. Chicken coop, coming soon. 20,000 likes. 20,000 likes, we're gonna build a baller chicken coop, Hector and I. As you can see, they're putting the last bit of fence up. Gate is in, so once this gate closes, the entire enclosure is good to go. This is for the goats. Told you guys I was gonna bring the goats this week, so be looking forward to that video. Make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss when the goats come over to their new house. But there's a couple more things we need to do before the goats get here, so I hope to have them this week, if not next week for sure. We obviously wanna make sure they have a shelter, a home, built in that corner right there. Hector plans to do that this week. Might take a little longer than normal though, we never really know. I got a bunch of scrap stuff, like obviously tires. We're gonna put a bunch of tires in the enclosure. Goats love tires. And then we have some scrap wood. I wanna make a super cool playground, kind of like we have at the other farm in this one as well. All in all though, as you can see, big old enclosure all the way around. The new property has a lot more shade. Like a lot, look at this. And I got some really cool plans for the enclosures behind here that are gonna be built after the building's up. I'm gonna have another enclosure right here, and then obviously the big pigs over there, but this enclosure is gonna be able to open up with a gate in the middle. That way the big pigs will have all this to roam, but if I have a random rescue video or something we need to film, or I wanna get another animal, I just close that middle gate and this is a whole nother enclosure right here. So a couple cool things that I haven't really said on video. Beautiful, look at that.
Hermoso. Say hermoso.
Hermoso.
Muy bien.
Muy bien. What does that mean?
Hermoso.
What are you making me
Beautiful,
say?
beautiful.
Beautiful?
Beautiful.
So Cuffaros, although it's a shorter video, we have a brand new goat enclosure getting put in right now. I am super excited for that. And of course, our new animal, huffing and puffing. Oh, he's smiling, he's smiling, he's smiling. Hi, buddy. That's Finny Boy. Finny Boy is Taylor's horse, and as you saw from the beginning, she explained her story kind of in a way, and she has finally got her dream animal, and it's on the property, on the PC Farm 2.0. Couldn't be happier with the little outcome. We got this guy a new home, and I'm excited for him and what's to come in the future. So make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I got another video coming for you guys, obviously not tomorrow, maybe not even the next day because that's Easter, so I hope you have a happy Easter, but definitely Monday. And Hector will probably be here doing the goat house and a lot of other projects coming. Woohoo! See you in the next one. Peace!
Yes, señor. How are you? I'm handsome, right? Guapo. Papi chulo.